What if I told you, most women don't love men, they love what men do for them? Before you react, listen closely. This isn't hate, it's the harsh truth nobody dares to say out loud. What if I told you women don't actually love men the way men love women? They love the feeling of being loved. They love the attention, the protection, the provision, the emotional investment. But loving you for who you are, stripped of what you provide, that's rare, and in today's world, nearly extinct. Men are taught to give love to earn it, prove it, fight for it. Women, they're conditioned to receive it, expect it, and sometimes manipulate it. That's the imbalance no one wants to talk about. You think that because she lies next to you, touches you, talks sweetly into your ear at night, that it means she loves you? Most times that's convenience, that's routine, that's survival. While you're giving your heart, she's calculating what you bring to the table. While you're loyal, she's keeping options open just in case. While you're pushing to build a future together, she's wondering if you'll still be useful in hers. Harsh? Maybe. But men need to hear it. You're not loved for who you are, you're loved for the role you play. And the moment you stop playing that role, her love disappears. This isn't about hating women, it's about waking men up to a truth they've been shielded from their whole lives. Stop giving unconditional love to people who only love you conditionally. Because in this game, the one who loves less controls more.